Today I'm going to teach you how to find your ID from your LinkedIn profile. This is particularly useful when you need to share your profile link professionally or integrate it with other tools and platforms. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your dashboard. After logging in successfully, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here you'll see your profile picture and name. Click on your profile to open your full LinkedIn page. This is where all your professional information, work history, and connections are displayed. Now that you're on your profile page, look over to the right side of the screen. You should see an option labeled Public Profile and URL. This section controls how your profile appears to people outside of LinkedIn and manages your custom URL settings. Next to this text, you'll notice a small pencil icon, which is the Edit button. Go ahead and click on that pencil icon to access the editing options. A new panel or section will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you can customize how your LinkedIn profile URL looks. Within this panel, look for another section labeled Edit Your Custom URL. Again, you'll see a pencil icon next to it. Click on this pencil icon to open up the URL editing field, and there you have it. Right here, you'll find your LinkedIn ID displayed in the custom URL field. This is your unique identifier on LinkedIn, and it's what appears at the end of your profile link. You can either keep the default ID that LinkedIn assigned to you, or you can customize it to something more professional or memorable if you prefer. By locating your LinkedIn ID, you now have the ability to share your profile more effectively and use it wherever needed for professional networking or integration purposes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.